Agidigba, come outside.
That's okay. Why are you knocking on my door like you want to pull down my door?
You're already talking as if you have money. Well, I heard since you came back from that your blood money mission.
That's okay. Who told you I went for blood money mission?
Where again did you disappear and appear from with all this kind of money that you're squandering?
That's okay. Have you not heard of OneXBet?
One is what?
OneXBet is the best and most reliable betting platform. They are the official partner to Barcelona Football Club and La Liga. Not only that, they are the official sponsor of the African Cup of Nations. You can register for free and your first deposit will be increased by 200%. That is, if you put $100 there, they will give you $200 bonus and you will not have $300 in your account. But use my promo code Lenzi. Use it and let your life change too, Mazi. Go and play that one so that your life will change too and you will have a lot of money.
All these things you are saying is not what I came here for. I heard since you came back, you have not allowed people's daughter to rest. You have been squandering people's daughter, hammering them. Agidigba, if I get you my daughter, Jesus! If I get you my daughter, you know me. The money you are getting from that OneXBet, you will not invest it well. Don't try me in this village. Don't try me. You see what I'm saying?
Agidigba, come and continue what you started.
Agidigba, is that not my wife?
Which of them?